Hello everyone, how you doing? Today I'm going to do presentation about learning management system. So this is related to the e-learning content management. So after you create the content material for your e-learning, your knowledge retention for your organization or your company, this will be the tools for manage the content material regarding the e-learning side. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching. So we already hear about LMS often in many places, in many organizations. They now build their own LMS. So what is the LMS itself? So LMS is stands short for the learning management system. It called learning because you use it to deliver the education course, and it called management because it helps you to organize the course, and it called system because an LMS is a computer software. So the example of the LMS brand in the market that you maybe already know is like the iSpring Learn, the Blackboard, the Litmos, the Saba, Moodle, and the Docebo. And Moodle is very famous for the very open source platform of the LMS. So we can explore the Moodle later in our other presentation. So the LMS is handle the management and delivery of e-learning course. So it lets you to create the e-learning content, and then you can organize, you can deliver, you can enroll students or employee in case you're using in the company. And the last thing is you can monitor and measure how is their performance with the content that you already deploy for them. This is the example usage of the LMS. So learning management system is commonly used for the staff induction training, for blended training solutions, the training that need the analyze, product equipment, company policy and procedure training, or even the SOP procedure, the critical mission in the company, the procedure and everything. You also can use this for the learning center, for the marketing, for anything. Basically everything that can be read, you can put inside the LMS. So organize your course is very simple. So LMS is allow you to freedom to structure your e-learning and offering the structure, the hierarchy in any way that you want. There is a lot of organizational tool that you can combine in multiple way, including the flexible SCORM material. So the SCORM material is the e-learning standard. So every e-learning course, every e-learning material will be using the SCORM, then can be distributed along the LMS platform. So LMS is actually able to import any learning material as long it using SCORM format. The SCORM itself is already a standardized protocol for the e-learning content. So every LMS, as long you're using the platform using the SCORM, any material like quizzes, the material, the presentation, the player, the flash, everything can be imported into the learning management system. And using the LMS, we can deliver the course very flexible. We may make the restricted audience, then we also can deploy for the wider population. So the modern LMS actually is able to handle all these cases, and the content also available to any mobile devices like a tablet, like a smartphone and everything else. There is a 3 deployment when you planning to using the LMS. The first one is the locally deploy, is called the on-prem server. So it's like the offline use. You only can use this LMS inside your organization, inside your network, inside your office. The second one is the cloud-based LMS. It means the data, the management, the tool, the software, the interface is on the cloud. So you basically can access from the internet, you can access from the mobile, from the remote area, from everywhere outside the company, even inside the company using the web browser. The last one is the private cloud. This is the halfway between the local on-prem and the public cloud option. So maybe you have the on-prem LMS, but your company want to distribute the content across the globe, so every employee who travel to everywhere can access. So this called the private cloud. So now we're talking about managing the users. There is a three type of user usually we know inside the LMS system. First is an admin. Admin is doing the administrative work, like the installing, like preparing the platform, like registering the user, like give the permission and upload the content. The second one is the instructor. Instructor is give the permission, give the learning path, give the authority to the employee or any student to access which material which is already designed for them, like for new employee, for the training purpose, and etc. And the last one is the user or the students who will going to use the LMS content, the e-learning content, the book, the presentation, any file, any document that share inside the LMS. So when we talk about the managing the user, it will involve the process of registering them into the LMS and then assigning them into the group, into the specific course, and then we interact as instructor and determine what kind of content they allow or not allow to see. And this is the very crucial function of the LMS. We can do the monitoring and assessing student progress. The ability to monitor the student in real time is important. That's why the LMS coming with this feature. So wherever you're dealing with 10 or 10,000 users, LMS give you automate and quick access to grade, records, and giving the statistic when it needs. The last one is the standard function is the reporting. So basically any activity, any progress assessment, any audit things inside the LMS console can be do in the reporting. So now we're talking about one of the LMS platform that we use is the iSpring. So iSpring Learn actually have some feature. We can use this feature as a insight about what other LMS can do actually. So the basic function of the iSpring is already described the function of the LMS in a big picture. It's like the self-guide services and self-service standard and the ability to personalize, automate, centralize administration, resource management, skill gaps, authoring, delivery, and management for the training event and everything else. So basically this is the function that LMS provide. So from this we know that iSpring or another LMS is the advanced platform that support all your important options. This is very easy to use, and if you're using the cloud-based, it's very open platform that can be accessed from anywhere. So the activity of study something, learning something, the knowledge retention not only locked in your house, in your company, in your organization, it can be across around the globe. As long as they have the internet connection, they can access, they can learn, they can share, they can collaborate, and doing everything with the content inside the learning management system. So thank you for watching, and I hope this presentation will give you better insight about the learning management system. And if you have a question or comment, please do it below this video in the comment section. It will improve the presentation next I will build. And thank you for watching.